Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about monitoring tools. So we should always monitor our MikroTik router because how much bandwidth consume our client is what happening in our MikroTik router. So we can check all of the things from our monitoring tools, so that how we can check if I say something about interface traffic monitor. If you go to the interface, then you can go to the Ethernet, right? There is actually you can monitor our traffic here. This is the RX right? So that if you see sometimes 00, that times you should think about your ISP is down, right? So then you can talk to your ISP what's happening, and you can see actually how much bandwidth consumed of your client, right? Everything you can monitor by traffic. And also there is option as a torch. Usually we can see all of the things from torch. What is the source IP, what is the destination IP, what port they are using. So we can go to the torch tools to torch, and you can also check how much bandwidth our client consumed. Sometimes you can see some of the client told you I'm not getting to bandwidth, but he don't know his or her Windows may be update start. But how you can check it? You should check it, right? How much bandwidth the client is consuming, so that like that if we monitor these laptops how much bandwidth consuming. So we can we need our laptop's IP address, so that I'm opening command prompt, then we can check IP config. Yeah, this laptop IP address 192.168.100.254. So that now I am going to check this laptop how much bandwidth consuming. 192.168.100.254, and we can collect all of the things, which port, which VLAN ID, protocol, MAC protocol, DSCP, and source address 6. So we are just going to check source address, and let's see if you want to start. There is RxTX, right? So that the laptop is not using much more bandwidth. I can try to download something like that. Download CentOS. Then you can just download CentOS ISO. Now it's the download starting, right? So if you go to the monitor the routers, you can see the this PC actually consuming 40 MB. Can you imagine it, right? But when user going to start browse any site, then maybe they feel slow because he start downloading, he's consuming bandwidth, but he's telling you actually I am not getting internet properly or like that. So that then that times you can check actually his uses, and you can tell him please you can check your all of the tasks, download Windows update, because we can see you are consuming bandwidth, right? So that we can monitor that way, then you can take necessary action.